Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by ensuring Vscode is talking to your Ubuntu environment. Install the remote WSL or remote SSH extension and connect to the Ubuntu instance. This lets Vscode run terminals and tasks inside Ubuntu. Once connected, open your project folder in that remote workspace and press Ctrl+ to open the integrated terminal. This first step ensures you're not running commands on Windows by accident and that permissions, path, and tools match the Ubuntu environment. Now you configure how the terminal behaves and use it for development. Select the default shell from the terminal menu, bash or zsh usually, and make sure your bashrc or profile sets path, aliases, and any virtualenv activation. This ensures tools like Python, Node, and apt are found. Use the terminal to run build commands, package installs, and linters. Once done, split terminals or create tasks for repeatable commands so your workflow is faster and consistent across sessions. Finish by automating common commands and checking for common failure modes. Define tasks. JSON entries to run builds, tests, and linters from the command palette so you avoid typing long commands. If commands fail, open the Vscode output and developer tools to see permission or path errors and make sure your Ubuntu shell config is sourced. If the terminal won't open or shows weird environment variables, reconnect the remote session or restart the WSL/SSH service. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.